Hello children, good morning to you all. We are going to start our video class for today because holidays have extended. We can't meet each other in the school. That's why not to lead to any loss of lessons teaching. As per ma'am's instructions, we are going to start our video classes today. From today to Saturday. Monday onwards we have our regular classes in the school. Okay. So now comes our social studies first session. I am going to teach you the second lesson, the northern mountains. Before that, we have to know some more things. They are, in our last lesson, we learnt about the different types of landforms on the earth. Different types of landforms on the earth. In our lesson, we are going to, from this second lesson onwards to seventh lesson, we are going to study about different landforms in India. Understand? And one more thing, glad to tell you, what all landforms you find on the earth as a whole, same all landforms, most of them you find even in India also. That's why India is compared to a continent. It is called subcontinent. Though it is a country, it is called the subcontinent. Reason is, what all physical features or what all landforms you find in the world on the earth, all are found even in India also. That's what we are going to study about, those landforms which are the part of our country. Understand? We are going to study about the landforms which are the part of our country. Before going to study, we should know something more about our country. What can we know about our country? Which is our country? India is our country, right? You all know India is our country. And India is called subcontinent. It is one of the largest countries of the world. It is the seventh largest country of the world. India is the seventh largest country of the world. Understand? So, the first largest country is Russia. We have so many like that. 6 more we have to talk about with Russia, China, Brazil, USA, so on. Okay. India stands on the 7th rank. So, let us study about our country, India, in two parts. Before going to our lesson, what is our lesson? The northern mountains is our lesson. Second lesson is the northern mountains. The northern mountains is our country. And of our country we are going to study. So before going to that, let us learn about India in two parts. In two parts. Divisions are called parts. Division means a part. One is the political division of India. We are going to learn about the political division of India. And the second, physical division of India. We are going to learn about physical division of India. Understand? Then let us know what is political division and what is physical division. Okay, political division means the whole country divided into so many states for the purpose of smooth functioning of the government. We have two governments. One is at the central level, the other is at the state level. Central level government is called Union government or the central government of India. It looks after the happenings in the whole country, whereas the state governments will look after the activities or the happenings, law and order, everything about their own country. Suppose we study about the government of Telangana because we are staying in Telangana. If we study about Telangana, what we do? We study about the government of Telangana. What is it? It is for the people of Telangana. It works for the welfare of the people of Telangana and to maintain law and order, peace and order in Telangana. Okay, this is the political division. I mean, this is about Telangana state. Like Telangana state, whole country is divided into 28 states and 9 union territories. 9 union territories. Territories means boundaries. So, political division of India shows us, whole India is divided politically into 28 states and 9 union territories. This is the political division of our country. This is the political division of our country. You know all the countries' names. Sorry, states' names I am going to give you as a list later. And 9 union territories. Okay, Telangana is one among them, which is our own state. So, the part of a state, a piece of a land which has its own boundaries, it is a political boundary. Okay, and these states have their own governments, state government, whereas union territories are directly looked after or ruled by the central government. This is about the political divisions of our country. Coming to the physical divisions of our country, let us talk about the physics. This is just a brief information about the what are political divisions and what are physical divisions. Political divisions are the part of a country which are in the form of state. We have such 28 states and 9 union territories. Okay, coming to their name, it takes lot of time to write from up Uttar Pradesh, Uttarakhand, Gujarat, Rajasthan, Maharashtra, Karnataka, Kerala, Tamil Nadu, Andhra Pradesh, Telangana, Madhya Pradesh, Jharkhand, understand? So on, Nagaland, so many such, Bihar, West Bengal, Sikkim, so many like that, all together 28 states. These all 28 states have their own government. They are the states and 9 union territories. Andaman and Nicobar, Lakshadweep, Pondicherry, Goa, Daman, Diu and Delhi. Now newly formed union territories are Kashmir and Ladakh. They are the 9 union territories. They are directly ruled by the government of India. The central government of India. Then coming to the physical divisions. Physical divisions is nothing but the landforms of our country. Into how many landforms our country is divided. Those divisions are called physical divisions. We can directly see them. Understand? Our country is divided into 6 physical divisions. 6 physical divisions. Understand? Based on the climate, soil, landforms, understand? and crops grown, all these things, especially based on the different landforms in the country, present in the country. Our country, it is based on the climate of the country. Based on the climate of the country, based on the different landforms of our country, whole country is divided into 6 physical divisions. They are: first, the northern mountains, second, the northern plains, third, western desert or Thar desert, western desert, or we call it Thar desert. It is Rajasthan. Okay. Fourth one, southern plateau. Southern plateau. And fifth one is coastal plain. Coastal plains. And sixth is islands. These are the, what we have in India. We have mountains, plains, desert, plateau, coastal plain and islands. These are the 6 different landforms we find in our country. So, based on these 6 landforms, whole country is divided into 6 physical divisions. We can call them physical features of India. These physical divisions are also called physical features of our country, or we can call them natural divisions of our country. How they are divided? Based on the climate and landforms. Okay, these are the 6 physical divisions of our country. What are they? Northern mountains, northern plains, western desert, southern plateau, coastal plains, islands. These are the 6 different physical divisions of our country. Which are the 6 divisions of our country, physical divisions of our country? First one, northern plains. You have to repeat. When you see the video and when you watch me read, you also should read along with me. Northern mountains, northern plains, western desert, southern plateau, coastal plain and islands. What are they? These are the physical divisions of our country. What are these 6? They are the physical divisions of our country. Which are the physical, into how many physical divisions our country is divided? Our country is divided into 6 physical divisions. What are they? One is northern mountains, second northern plains, third western desert, southern plateau, coastal plains and islands. These 6 we are studying separately in detail as separate lessons for each one. Now second lesson is northern mountains. What we are learning? What mountains are in the north of our country? What are they? How is their structures? How many ranges are there? How is the life of the people over there? What do they grow? What are the important places there? All these things we study about it. Next comes northern plains. After this lesson we have northern plains. Our northern plain is divided into 3 different parts. Everything about the northern plains. Then western desert, Rajasthan we are going to study. Then southern plateau. What are the different parts of this plateau region? Then we have coastal plain. Our coastal plain is divided into 2 parts. Eastern coastal plain, western coastal plain. Then islands. We have 2 different groups of islands which are the part of our country. They are Andaman and Nicobar Islands, and then what? Lakshadweep Islands. Andaman and Nicobar Islands are in the Bay of Bengal, and Lakshadweep Islands are in the Arabian Sea. Understand? What are political divisions? I can show you with the help of a map here, because I have India political map. This is the map showing different countries and union territories of our country. So this is political map. India is divided into different parts. What are those parts? Different states like Rajasthan, Madhya Pradesh, Gujarat, Maharashtra, Karnataka, Andhra Pradesh. Here Telangana, Tamil Nadu, Kerala, so on. Understand? These are the physical divisions. Sorry, political divisions of our country. Every country, state has its own boundaries, and it has its own neighboring states or neighboring boundaries. India as a whole, it has its neighboring countries in the north. Pakistan and Afghanistan in the west. Bhutan and Nepal in the north. Burma, Myanmar and Bangladesh in the east. And it is surrounded by three sides water. One is Bay of Bengal in the east, Arabian Sea in the west, and Indian Ocean in the south. These are the boundaries of our country. Okay. So, in the beginning, now we are going to study about the northern mountains. Our lesson. What we learnt till now about the size of our country, and we learnt about the different largest countries. Then we learnt about the two divisions of the country. One is political division, the other is physical division. Under political division, what we learnt? Under political division, we learnt that India is divided into 28 states. Every state has its own boundary, and 9 union territories. Every state has its own boundaries, plus it has its own government, its own language, etc. Its own state symbols also. Whereas the 9 union territories are directly ruled by the central government. Why these states? India is divided into states to make it convenient for the central government to run the government peacefully, to look after each and every problem and matter of the people in India. So, based on their food habits, language, and so on, India is divided into 28 states and 9 union territories. That is the political division of our country. Then, physical division of our country is based on the different types of landforms which are present in India, which are located in India. On the basis of these landforms, our country is divided into these 6 physical features. As the name itself says, what different landforms we find in our country? We find mountains, plains, deserts, plateau, and coastal plain, islands. Even the rivers are also there in our country. About rivers, whenever we study about different physical feature, that time we will study about the rivers which flow in that particular physical division. Okay. These are in this way we can learn about these 6 physical divisions of our country. This is the physical division of our country. What are the 6 main physical divisions of our country? Northern mountains. You have to repeat after me when you see the video. Northern mountains, northern plains, western desert, southern plateau, coastal plain and islands. These also I can show you in this map. here, though I don't have physical map of our country, I can show it. See, if I show this part completely, inside also, outside also, these are the northern mountains. So Punjab, Uttar Pradesh, Bihar, West Bengal, and some parts of eastern states, they are the part of northern plain. Then Rajasthan is the part of desert. Then some parts of Gujarat, Madhya Pradesh, Odisha, Maharashtra, Telangana, Andhra Pradesh, Karnataka, and Tamil Nadu. These are the parts of southern plateau. Then Gujarat, see the movement of my hand. From here, Gujarat, like this, it goes like this. Gujarat, Maharashtra, Goa, and Karnataka, Kerala, Tamil Nadu, Andhra Pradesh, Orissa, West Bengal. These are the parts of our coastal plain. What is a coast? We have got the definition in our first lesson. Coast is the land which is close to the sea. Yeah? Where the land meets the sea, it's called a coast, you know. So, Gujarat, Arabian Sea coast you have. Gujarat, Silva, Dadra and Nagar Haveli, Maharashtra, Goa, Karnataka, Kerala, Tamil Nadu, Andhra Pradesh, Odisha, and West Bengal. These are the different states which come under the coastal plains, and moreover, here you can see some dots. This is Andaman and Nicobar Islands, which are located in Bay of Bengal. Here this is the Lakshadweep Islands. What are islands? The piece of land surrounded by water on all sides. So these are the islands of our country. They are the union territories of our country. Okay. These are the different physical features of our country. Understand? So we can learn them one by one as a part of our lesson. Understand? How? See, northern mountains is second lesson. Northern plains is third lesson. Western deserts is our southern plateau. In between the two is third lesson, and one is the fourth lesson. Coastal plains and islands is fifth lesson. Both together we have. So these are the lessons we can study about the different physical features of our country. This is a short introduction about our lesson, the northern mountains. What are the northern mountains? The Himalayan mountains, which are located to the north of India. They are the northern mountains. About them we can learn in our next class tomorrow in a detailed way. So here we stop. Thank you, children.